not going to give it to you. Mine. That's Mommy's. Okay?
Where's your shirt? Where's your shirt?
Where's your sweatshirt?
There it is. Don't you need that for cleaning? Don't you need your shirt?
Oh, where's your jacket? Where's your sweatshirt? Yeah.
Sure is quiet around here. It's so quiet. She knows
how to play quietly too.
You're a quiet little baby, huh? You're such a quiet little girl. I don't know. Should we start whispering?
Maybe we should whisper stuff.
Whisper. Aurora, you're so beautiful today.
So beautiful today. She went out in the sun today.
Aurora was outside. Did you go for a walk? Did you go for a walk with Mama?
Did you cry?
Wah, wah, wah. Like that? Were you crying? Go with my grandma.
Marjoram. It's disgusting. Doesn't taste anything like it looks.
Ba, ba, ba.
Aurora. No, get you. No, 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 no.
Mommy's shoes.
Ugh. It's confusing though, isn't it? Grandma's got shoes, and you like hers.
I'll just crawl up there. I'm practicing now.
Practice. Let's get Grandma, okay? Let's get Grandma. Let's get her. Let's get her. Come on. Oh, I'm going to get you, Grandma. I'm going to get you, Grandma. I'm going to get you, Grandma. I got you, Grandma.
Help. Help. Help.
She's like, Mom doesn't know how to do that. I'm sorry, I learned it.
Oh, it's not zoomed. It's okay. Oh, really? I am the king of the jungle. Look at her face when she does that. So nerdy. Come on. They're so sweet. Yeah.
Oh, you're such a big girl.
No. She's been doing that lately. What? You feel your Aurora, where's Grandma? Grandmama. Grandmama. Mama.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Come here.
Ready?
Oh!
Yay!
Gotta get that.
Got it? Got it? Okay. Do you want some help?
Of course.
Okay. Okay, we have stuff to do.
Okay, we got stuff to do. Bye-bye.